Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's computer lecture of class 10th. And we are discussing our chapter number 1, that is problem solving. In our previous lecture, we discussed what is debugging and the types of errors. Debugging, the process of finding and removing errors in the program, that is called debugging. And types of error, there are 3 types of errors: syntax error, logical error and runtime errors. Syntax errors are easy to detect and remove, and if incorrect spellings are typed, then you can correct it easily. And logical error, if you have any mathematical mistake, any formula you have written wrong, then your answer will be wrong. That is a big mistake in your computer, in your program. And runtime error, the error occur during the execution of program, and the computer stop the execution of program and display an error message to the user. Then user can know about this error and can correct it. Today's question is question number 9. Write a short notes on the following: implementing a program, maintaining and updating a program. What is the meaning of implementing a program? After testing a program thoroughly, when we test the program thoroughly, we point out the errors and it is installed on the computer. Implementation, that is installed on the computer when a program has tested thoroughly. The program is used to solve the problem. This program, implementing a program, is used to solve the problem. This step is called implementation of the program. Implementation means after testing a program thoroughly, implementing a program is installed on the computer that is also used to solve the problem. This is called implementation of the program. Maintaining and updating a program. Maintaining and updating a program is a process of upgrading the program to meet the new requirements of hardware and software. A new requirement means if you have tested your program and you want to change in the program, then you can change your program. You can add it in your program by using maintaining and updating. The program is also modified if there is any change in the user requirements. This program, I tell you that this program is used to modify that. If any changing a user want to do, then it can be do in maintaining and updating a program. In this step, program is updated and improved after it is installed. When this program is installed, after that it is updated and improved by the user. Regular maintenance is essential for the betterment of the system or software. Regular maintenance means all the requirements are complete or not for solving the problem. That is the meaning of regular maintenance. A proper maintenance depends upon the existence of complete documentation of the system. Proper maintenance depends upon the complete documentation. Complete documentation means algorithm, design, coding, method or flowchart, all are proper or correct. It can be used in regular maintenance. Okay students, our next question is question number 10. What is meant by document a program? Document a program. Document a program means a detailed description of a program's algorithm. Algorithm is correct or not, a detailed description. Detail, we can check. Design, what is the design of that algorithm, coding method of the algorithm, and testing and proper use is called program documentation. Firstly we make an algorithm, then we choose the design of algorithm, coding method, and after coding method we test the program. That is called program documentation. All requirements are here or not. It helps the user to operate the program. Documentation of the program also helps the programmer for modifying or updating the program. It can be modified easily or update easily in this program. There is no universally accepted standard for programs documentation. Documentation may be different for different programs. Documentations can be different for solving the programs. Usually documentation includes the following information. Few information are used for documentation the program. The documents must be related to the software requirements. When you make a document for solving the problem, then it's related to software requirements. You should check that that is correct this software or not, that you can do in the software or not. And a description of the problem solution or algorithm. Algorithm must be drawn for solving any type of problem. A description of the program design including flowcharts and algorithm. Description Description means the detail of design including flowcharts and algorithm. You see the design of flowchart and algorithm that is drawn correctly or not. And description of programs testing process including the test data used and results obtained. In this program you see that the program is tested correctly or not and what results obtained, and description of all corrections, modification and updates during the program use. How many corrections are here, how it modified and how updates it can be you can use in this program. A user manual or user guide. You can check all the requirements in document a program if you have for solving the problem. Today we have discussed that implementing a program and maintenance and updating a program. Implementing a program can be used after testing a program thoroughly and it is installed on the computer, and that is also used for solving the problem. Maintenance and updating means change you can do any change in your program by according to your requirements. And regular maintenance means your complete documentation of the system is correct or not. And document a program. In this program we see that detailed description, we see the detail of the program about algorithm design, coding method, testing and proper use. That is called program documentation. And in program documentation we see that documents are related to the software requirements or a description of program design including flowcharts and algorithm. Description of programs testing process, the test, which program you have tested, is that correct or not, and which result has obtained, and how many corrections are here and how it modified and how update. All these things you can check in your document a program after solving your problem. Okay students, you will learn these two questions, very important questions, very important methods for solving a problem. I hope you have understood that lecture. Allah Hafiz.